Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Burlington stores today. This is ticker BURL. Now, I know there are some cold places around the country, but I think this chart is going to keep you warm because this is a beauty. We have a stock that is in an uptrend above all the major moving averages and has been basing for months. Burlington stores has been going sideways here for nearly 3 months, and so we have a nice long base of consolidation. Now, this is kind of how the stock trades. Now, if we go back to 2023, 2024, and that transition into the new year, we have a very similar pattern. Sideways consolidation, this time for over 70 days. And what followed after was a break above that base and then a move above coming on good volume. So this has a history of basing before breakout, and here we are now into 2025. We have a base that started last year, carries into this year, and what I want to see from this stock is a move above that base coming on volume. So I would have an alert on this at around 297 and look for a move above 297 coming on volume, leading into its earnings report right around the end of February. So that's my setup here on Burlington stores. I think it makes sense. It's played out in the past. Let's see if it happens again. Set an alert on BURL at around 297. Look for a breakout coming on volume, and I think you have a nice entry here. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at this weekend at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're searching for a great team to trade with, try ours. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.